Hi, today I will be going over your choice board assignment, what you need to do, where you need to find it, and what you need to submit at the end. So if you want to get to the choice board assignment, you can just actually go to grades in your main course page. You can see that it says please go to Classkick and complete the assignment titled Choice Board Earth Science Meyer. So if you click on Classkick, it will take you to the Classkick page. Your username should be lowercase w, your student ID number. Your password will be all capital letters, WIVA. So if I click on Classkick, I can log in and actually look on the assignment here. It will be titled Choice Board Earth Science Meyer. Now the first couple pages are just some tools and tricks. So if you don't know what some of these icons mean at the top in Classkick, it tells you what they mean and what they do. That's for the first page. The second page is just a title page. And then when you come to this page, this is the assignment. So if you can't read this, which is actually pretty hard to read, you can actually click on this link here and it'll pop up with the PowerPoint that has the directions that are a lot easier to read. So pick one of these boxes. You do not have to do all of them. You could pick any one. Create a comic, write, watch video, and answer these questions: career, quiz, song, drawing with vocabulary, article and questions, or the Venn diagram. Now for some of these too, you are more than welcome to record yourself saying your answer and post that on Classkick. If we go back to Classkick, you can actually scroll down and post your assignment on the lower half of the page, or there should be an entire blank page on the fourth page there. There's also some links in here to get to, let's say the quiz is the vocab that you will be using. The video is the video you have to watch. This Venn diagram is a template that you can use. So some of the tools you can use in Classkick, if you're posting your assignment in here, if you're typing it on the page, you can actually click the T, add a text box, and type your assignment. Another tool you can use is this little icon that says add audio. You can start a recording and record yourself saying your answer to whichever assignment you did or option you did. Or you can take a picture, so you can click on camera and hold your picture or whatever you did up to the camera, take a picture, and add it to the page. So once you have done your assignment on Classkick, that's the first part of this, you're going to want to go back to your main page. You're going to find the assignment. So I'm going to go to Content. And then I am going to go to the choice board assignment that's under 1.01 Introduction to Science. I'm going to click on that. The choice board assignment should be right there. I click on the choice board assignment. I am going to record audio. I'm going to add a new recording and I'm going to say I did my assignment on Classkick. And I'm going to add that. Let's say I did something. I did that. I add it. I'll add it as a title as Classkick assignment. And I will add it. It should be right there. You'll see your audio clip right there, and you hit submit and you're done. Thank you. you. If you have any questions, let me know.